Hey everyone, it's Mary here. Welcome to Mary's Place. We're going to be making some salmon. And this is my favorite way of making it. The recipe for the sauce that I put on it is on the screen. You can pause it at this time. Write it down if you like. It's really easy and simple. We're cooking this in the air fryer. You just sit there and you paint it on as thick as you want, as much as you want. I like to leave a little bit on the side to put on it after it's cooked too. So I really love this. It's really good. This sauce you could even put on vegetables. It makes the vegetables taste 100 times better. Now I'm going to add some chia seeds. Chia seeds will help you feel more full, and it's really good for you. I remember a story somebody told me about chia seeds. In the Roman days, that's what they used to eat to stay full. I don't know if it's true or not, but I read it in a history book somewhere. I added a little bit of black pepper. I'm going to add some garlic. Almost forgot it. And I don't add salt whatsoever. I mean, you can, but the feta cheese is salty enough. Just put it all over the top. You don't have to put feta if you don't like feta. You can put any cheese you want on top. That sauce is what makes that dish. The sauce is what makes it. Now we're going to put it into the air fryer at 325 for 15 minutes. If you have an air fryer like mine, put it on the bottom. 15 minutes will make it a medium. At least with my air fryer, it will make it like a medium. I don't flip my fish at all. It does cook all the way through. And it's just beautiful and tender and juicy. Remember, the more you cook the fish, the more you take the flavor out of it. But this is my favorite way of eating my salmon. Skin side down. And that's how it comes out, with that crusty cheese on top. I hope you try my dish. If you do, let me know. Come back and put a comment down below. And leave me a comment anyway, because it really cheers me up when you comment to me. It makes me feel like I'm doing something right. As you can see, that fish is perfect. It's juicy and it's done. So God bless everyone. Please click the like and please share me out. Help me get noticed. I need to try to get more people. So if you could bless me by doing that, I'd really appreciate it. I'll be looking forward to your messages, as usual. Love you all. Bye.